Hey, good morning my friends, how are you? So we've been working on some of the suspension of the O series Stug. There's a lot of work to go into it, a lot of fiddly little parts. So I've done that side, and this side I've got to finish off. You see, we've got to put on these parts here. So the first thing you've got to do is you put these two stoppers on, so there and there. And then you've got to build these parts that have got interior parts so you can move the actual wheels. So you build them all separately. Then you've got to stick these things to there with these two little connectors on both sides, very fiddly, and then you've got to put it in and you've got to install that into there's a hook in the back there, two hooks. And then you got to glue this down, so that's very fiddly. And then you've got to come along and you got to install the parts at the back here of this. You got to make sure that those are connected on, and you stick that in. And then finally at there you've got to put these stoppers in, these stoppers in front. And then that's that. And you've also got to put these covers on. So I've got to put a cover on there, the middle part and the rear part as well, which will seal these things in with those hooks. They've got a little hook on there and it hooks those in. It's very nice. It looks really good. I really do like the suspension on these ones. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of tiny little parts, but take your time. I'm doing a lot better jobs than I did on my first one. So there it is. Alright, just a quick look at the Stug suspension. I'll see you again soon.